This solar system recording demo, and I'm going to do it in two parts. I'm going to do the comp first, and then I'm going to do the animation part second. All right, so I'm in After Effects, and the first thing is going to import my files, and I've created my planets within Adobe Illustrator, so I'm going to bring those in. And doing them in Illustrator will make sure that they're at the right resolution. You can do them in Photoshop, but just make sure they're at good size so that when you scale them down, they'll be fine, or scale them up. And then I'm also going to import my star field. Okay, so I'm going to start a new composition. This is kind of important. It's 1080 by 1080 at 30 frames per second at 36 seconds 15, because that will equal 365 days. 3615 is half of 30, so 365. So just set it to that. Background color, I really wouldn't worry about what it is because we're going to put something on top of it. Click OK. And the first thing I'm going to bring in is my star field. Okay, and I'm going to scale that down. Usually use the transforms to do that because that's really the most efficient way to do that. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to bring in, actually the next thing I'm going to do is turn on, under view, I'm going to show rulers here, and also turn on action safe so I can find the exact center. Okay, this will come in handy because we want everything to go around the center. So I'm going to bring in my sun, and you'll see that here in just a second that it will snap to that center, but if not, you can just move it to fit to the center there. Okay, so that's the center because we want it to go around here. All right, the next is Mercury. I'm going to put it in there, and then I'm going to make it smaller. There we go. And then the next one I'm going to bring in is Venus. I'm going to bring that size down a tad bit more. Like that. Just guesstimate size is fine. I do want a little space in between them. So I'm just going to push that out right about there. Next is Earth. Might leave it about that size and scale it down just a tad. And then Mars comes in last. Scale that down because it's smaller than Earth, so just kind of estimate the scale on those. It kind of gives you those in the assignment. So I'm just going to put them out about like that and hit save. And I always want to make sure that I'm saving within my folder where everything is, because we might need to share this with somebody. So we have to have all the elements, because all these files are not embedded in my project, they are linked to those files. Okay, so that's real important. And okay, so that's the file setup. Okay, so just make sure that your composition is 1080 by 1080, 30 frames per second, and 3615. And then I'll do the next part here in just a second.